Look at me, tell me I'm flying. Look at my eye. She know that you not that guy. I'm with the five. Backwoods, man, it turned to a vibe. Run your screen, nigga, like it live. I get the money, put that shit aside.
Oh, hi guys. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Eli back with another video. As you guys see by the title and the thumbnail today, got a banger for y'all boys. As you can see by the title though, we are finna be talking about how to get freeform dreads instantly in 24 hours, under 24 hours. You feel me? Yeah, real quick. But yeah, before we hop in today's video though, make sure that like button, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my socials in the description. My Instagram is in one of these corners. Make sure you go follow me. You feel me? Whole lot of Eli on Instagram. I think there's an underscore in there too. But yeah, as y'all can see though, we got the freeform dreads rocking right now. You feel me? Yeah. Before I tell y'all how I got this, I'm gonna show y'all a video of how I looked last Saturday. You feel me? I'm gonna put that right here. Yeah, that's an ugly ass nigga, you feel me? And we done upgraded, you feel me? As y'all can see, my hair look completely different now. I'm gonna tell y'all what I did, but before we do that, I'm gonna tell y'all some other ways to get freeform dreads. As y'all know, people use the sponge, you feel me? Everybody know what the sponge is. You just get the sponge and do this to your head. Now, you feel me? I didn't like doing that. I don't like doing that. I hate doing that. So the sponge, gone, out of there. Don't do that. Well, I don't do that. No, y'all could do whatever y'all want. But the way I did it, as y'all see in the video, my hair was 2-strand twisted. I was going for the 2-strand twist method. Now with that, because I wanted them to be like skinny, and yeah. So with that, it takes forever for 2-strand twist to lock. It takes like 6 months without washing your hair. You can't wash your hair. And me personally, I can go without washing my hair, but I just did it one time and then yeah, I messed up my hair. So yeah, had to restart. That video I showed y'all, that was literally me retwisting my hair after I had messed it up. So boom. And then I came across this amazing tool that helped me get freeform dreads instantly, you feel me? Now I'm just in the game. So I'm gonna show y'all. You only need one simple tool, and it's hair, you feel me? Now, so all you need is a crochet needle. Now, you feel me? If you don't know what this is, look it up. It's probably not even that much money for real. But yeah, this is how you instantly get freeform dreads, or dreads period. It just locks your hair up faster, so you don't have to go through a process of waiting for it to lock. So you can wash your hair now, basically. I can wash my hair now, basically. Now I haven't used no products on my hair, none of that. I just retwisted it and took the 2-strand twist and just, I'm gonna show you how to use it. So basically you just get some hair and then you just start poking it. That's all you do. Now with some of these, I took like 2 twists and I twisted them together, and then I started poking it because they was too skinny. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. There's one right here. Actually, no, it's not it. One right here, see, it's like super skinny, but I just left it alone and just started poking it. So look, that's all you do. It's just poke your hair. Now, you feel me? Yeah, that's pretty much it. So if anybody out there trying to do the 2-strand twist method and you are struggling and you want it to lock faster because your hair not long enough, because I ain't gonna lie, yeah, that video, y'all, I looked hideous in that video I just showed y'all. Like, that is, I could not go any longer looking like that. Y'all can't even lie, I look 10 times better than I did in that video. But yeah, you just gonna continue to do this, and make sure you don't go all the way to the root. As y'all can see, my hair, it stops like right here, and this is just loose. So you feel me? Yeah. I still want that freeform look, so that's why I didn't go all the way down. But yeah, you gonna poke yourself a million times doing this though. I ain't gonna lie, I poked myself so many times. Alright, that's enough of that. But yeah, that is how you lock your hair up, get freeform dreads within under 24 hours. Depending on how long your hair is, it shouldn't take that long, or how many twists you have, it shouldn't take that long. You feel me? Mine took me about like 8 hours of actually doing it because I had took a nap. But yeah, and that's pretty much it to it now. Oh, no, another thing I almost forgot. Y'all need to get y'all some rubber bands, you feel me? It's 250 rubber bands here. They're like cheap as hell. But yeah, make sure you get y'all some rubber bands if you do want to get freeform dreads. So even I got some right here. But yeah, so when you go to sleep at night, you feel me? Just put your hair in 4 ponytails If you can't do 4 ponytails, do more. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's pretty much how I go to sleep every night. I just throw my hair in some ponytails, like so. You feel me? So your hair doesn't get matted down or none of that. And then once you get in the shower, it's just gonna fall down. Like it's just gonna start drooping down like how it is now and fix itself. But yeah, that's pretty much it to the process. You feel me? And yeah, that's pretty much it to today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to like button, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you do not miss another upload from your boy. Road to 1K. And share the video with your friends. Make sure you smash the like button if it helped you out a lot. And yeah, it's me, Boogie Light Man, and I'm out. Peace.
Cat, baby, I run, baby, super, son, what? Young, what? Baby, I run it, baby, fuck, I time.